Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Tesla will not charge. Your charger is not working. Now I'll show you the official manual, what it tells you to do, and you need to first of all do a reset. Before you even begin doing a reset, just ensure that everything was securely plugged in. You know, disconnect and firmly reconnect the charging cable to both your Tesla's charge port and the power source, and then see if that's the issue. And then check your indicator lights on your charger. And if it's a solid green light, means it has power and it's ready. If there's no lights, you need to check your home circuit breaker and see if it tripped a switch or something like that. And then all you need to do is do a hard reset here, okay? So all you do is just unplug the charger, right, from both the vehicle and the wall outlet. And then you just need to wait about 10 to 15 seconds and then plug it back into the wall first, right? And then the vehicle. If you have access to another charging method like a supercharger or a different outlet, you can try charging there to determine if the issue is actually with your car or your specific charger or power source. But after you do this reset, it should actually work. Otherwise, you need to go ahead and contact customer support because that wall connector might need service. So just keep that in mind. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.